Hello everyone, let me present Understanding Cyberbullying in Fringe Communities, the case of Fortune. First, let me give some background information. Fortune is a fringe community with 71 image borders. In this project, I focus on political incorrect board, where people discuss social events, political activities, and racist issues. Fortune has three major features. First, each thread includes an opening post and the response post. Next, most authors are anonymous on these communities because Fortune does not ask users to sign an account for use. The most important thing is threads are existing on Fortune temporarily because Fortune only provides template for users. A thread disappears on this template if no user generates new posts on this thread. The scope of this project is understand cyberbullying with memes and hate speeches. So I set three topics. Understand the trend of this community. Next, detect hate speech and build a strong dictionary with hate base. And final, classify the images and compare with the data collected from Know Your Memes website. In the result, I found the most abused hate terms is the N-word, and over 57% of threads are including hate terms. The popular memes on this community are Pavela Flock and its variants. The other popular one is Happy Merchant, which is relevant with anti-Jewishism. Around 30% of pictures in my collection can be identified as meme images. Okay, let's see the influence between hate terms and memes. The thread length. The overall average is 40 posts. For hate terms is 66. For memes thread is 94. For the quoted rate of each post, the average is 46%, but for meme posts is 86%. So we can see that users are more interested in meme posts and meme images. They are more willing to cite them and talk about them. That's enough for the contributions. Let me demonstrate how I analyze this post. Besides the basic information, I count quotations for each post. For this one is 96. In the article, there are two hate terms, girl and the N-word. I also collected them. In image analyze, this picture has clustered with other picture, and the cluster has matches with apostasia, which is a relevant variant of Pepela Flock. To sum up, most memes are offensive, like Happy Merchant. It also has an offensive label on Know Your Memes website. However, the majority seems neutral and harmless, like Pepela Flock and the variants. But are they really harmless? Massive hate turn post with memes. And memes and hate turns both have ability to extend thread lifetime on these communities by increasing thread length and quotations. So this is a situation of cyberbullying on political incorrect board. Offensive contents spread further and longer with memes and hate terms. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.